Now let's turn our attention to scientific notation and prefixes. So prefixes, we use them quite a lot because they can be easier to write and to say. They can just be convenient to us when we're expressing ourselves talking about science numbers. And there are some here that you're going to simply have to memorize, I'm afraid. So let's say all this part of the table, I think you could reasonably be expected to know off by heart. So I'm going to write here, memorize these. So what is going on here? So let's look at milli, for instance. So here we've got the prefix milli, which corresponds to 10 to the minus 3. So for example, 1 milligram is 1 times 10 to the minus 3 gram. And so anytime we see 10 to the minus 3, we can simply replace it with a small letter m there. That means milli, and those mean exactly the same things. So if you're writing a number, you just use this one letter code, and that can be much less cumbersome than using, the whole scientific notation. Okay, so if we had 20 milligrams, that's equal to 20 times 10 to the minus 3 gram, which isn't in standard form, but that's all right. We can go the other way too. So if we've got, let's say, 6 times 10 to the minus 9 meters, then that's equal to, we could say that's 6, look at minus 9 here, nanometers. And so on and so forth. Just do another one. How about we've got 2.5, micro litres, so that's 2.5 times 10 to the minus 6 litres. So every time you see this, you can mentally replace it by 10 to the minus 6, and vice versa. So I'm afraid there's some things that simply have to be memorised in here. And these ones here, we really genuinely do use an awful lot in molecular biology. You really need to know them. Okay, so what does this mean? So here's some other things that you might want to memorize if it's not obvious to you as well. So what does it mean? So 1 litre is equal to 1,000 millilitres, because a milliliter is 10 to the minus 3 litres. And similarly, 1 milliliter is equal to 1,000 microliters, because a microliter is 10 to the minus 3-fold smaller than 10 to the minus 3. 10 to the minus 6 is 1,000 times smaller than 10 to the minus 3, and so on. So 1 microliter is 1,000 nanoliters, and 1 nanoliter is 1,000 picolitres.